How to get access to phone with broken screen. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to your phone, all of the application, all of the data that you had in your phone, which is broken. So let's get into it. It's actually really easy to do. A lot of people think it's complicated. It's not complicated at all. We can access all of the data on our mobile phone if it's not working. So if you have a broken screen like this, or it looks something maybe like this, it's not working, it's black, and you cannot see anything on your phone, you cannot use it anymore. So what you need to do is you're gonna open up your laptop or PC, any desktop that you have, and you're gonna search for a website known as wiser.io. This is what it looks like. You can see this is the link at the top, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go to this website right here. The link will also be given in the description, so you can just click on it and it will take you to this website. Here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna download this application for Windows. Then we have Mac, Linux, or browser too. So what I will do is I will just download it in on my Windows. You can also open it up on your browser. So now there are two types. There are Android devices and iOS devices. So what you're gonna do is for Android devices, you're gonna actually install the ADB drivers. And then when it comes to these iOS devices are currently supported on Raspberry for Windows, Mac. So for Android, you will click on ADB drivers, and this is the app that you need to download. Once you do, then we simply use a cable to connect our phone to our laptop or PC. It will show you a guide what to do step by step. You can just follow it. It's a simple process, and you will be able to access your mobile phone on your laptop, and you will be able to use it. It shows you a mobile phone. Actually, let me show you how it looks. This is what it will look like. You will literally be able to see a screen on your desktop, and you can use your phone, download all of your data, and access all of the applications. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.